Welcome to Back Technomy.
Top 5 Best LED Headlight Bulbs H11 New Model 2022. We are going to check out Top 5 Best LED Headlight Bulbs H11. In current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out information about this best LED Headlight Bulbs H11, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Let's start Best 5 Product Review. Starting at number 1.
Product name - Editor's Pick, Sealight Scopark S1 LED Bulbs Combo. Super Bright Cool White Sealight 9005 HB3H11/H9/H8 LED Bulbs Combo. Super Bright Cool White. We chose the Sealight 6,000K/6,500 LM Scopark S1 LED headlights for our conversion. After considerable research, we chose the 4-light Hilo S1 kit from Sealight when we wanted to upgrade from the factory halogen projector bulbs in a 2014 Mazda 5. We were convinced by 90% 4 or 5-star ratings from over 10,000 people, a great feature set, and light quality. Our size was the common 9005 HB3H11/H9/H8 form factor, and required both high and low beam modules. We'll need a similar 9005 HB3 9006 HB4 bulb when we do the same to the AutoGuide Dodge Magnum RT later this winter. Pros/bright, even light. Cons/expensive, extra cord to deal with. I encourage you to purchase it if you need it right.
Starting at number 2.
Product name - Cougar Motor LED Headlight Bulbs. A good balance of price, performance, and longevity. Cougar Motors LED headlight bulbs offer as much as 12,000 lumens per pair, depending on the specific bulbs for your car, which is 200% brighter than stock halogen headlights. They run at a cool white 6,000K temperature and offer a great beam pattern without any dark spots or foggy light. Cougar Motor opts to use an aluminum housing with a 10,000 RPM turbo cool fan to ensure the LED headlight bulbs can operate for over 50,000 hours. The company says its bulbs are plug and play and are combust ready with most vehicles. They are also IP67 waterproof, and each bulb comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime support. Pros/competitively priced, 3-year warranty, 50,000 hour advertised life. Cons/not the brightest. I hope this is exactly what you need.
Starting at number 3.
Product name - Auxito LED Headlights. For some sizes, like these 9006 bulbs, these are the highest rated LED headlights available. Photo credit, Amazon.com. Auxito makes a wide variety of vehicle lighting products, including 5 different series of LED headlights, which come in 9005 HB3, 9006 HB4, 9007 HB5, 9008/H13, 9012/R, H11B, H4/9003 HB2, and H9/H8/H11 sizes. There are lots of options for brightness, and we found that among their many models with over 100 reviews, they were almost uniformly rated between 89% and 92% positive, an excellent score for any product. Pros/wide variety of sizes and colors. Among the brightest available, some models fan-cooled. Cons/complaints about customer service and warranty support. It has been selling well in recent times, you can buy it.
Starting at number 4.
Product name - BeamTech LED Headlight Bulbs. BeamTech's replacement LED bulbs are more affordable than Cougar Motors products, but they won't last as long. That's because they are a bit brighter at 8,000 lumens per pair with a 6,500K color temperature. Their advertised lifespan is over 30,000 hours, or almost 3.5 years of continuous use, but other brands advertise up to 50,000 hours. What makes BeamTech's bulbs different from many of its competitors is the lack of a fan, making them quieter than other products. In lieu of a fan, they feature passive cooling with an aluminum body for improved heat dissipation. Pros/affordable, brighter than most LED bulbs, no fan means no noise. Cons/shorter lifespan than competition. I hope you can buy it if you feel good.
Starting at number 5.
Product name Foreign LED headlight bulbs. Another popular option, these LED headlight bulbs boast a bright 10,000 lumens per pair at a 6,500 K cool white temperature. Foreign's option delivers a focused beam pattern that provides a wider and farther lighting range, while being 3 times brighter than a standard halogen bulb. Sporting an aluminum body with a unique hollow carved heatsink design, the company claims these bulbs will last up to 50,000 hours. Contributing to their durability are 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fans, and these bulbs are IP68 waterproof. Pros/10,000 lumens per pair, 6,500 K temperature, focused beam pattern, 12,000 RPM cooling fans, IP68 waterproof, unique heatsink design. Cons/some vehicles require adjustment for ideal beam pattern, not plug and play for some vehicles, requires additional CAN bus decoder. Considering the price and durability, you can definitely buy it.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.